If you want to know how to set an event reminder time in Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open an event, adjust the reminder time, choose whether you want a notification or an email, and then save everything properly so your reminder works the way you want it to. This is really helpful if you never want to miss meetings, appointments, deadlines, or personal events. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar and find the event you want to update. You can do this by clicking directly on the scheduled event in your calendar. Once the event opens, look for the edit option, which is usually shown as a pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open the full event details page. This is where you can make changes to the time, title, description, guests, and of course your reminder settings. Now that you're inside the event settings, scroll or look for the notification section. This is the part that controls how Google Calendar reminds you before the event starts. You'll usually see a notification already listed, but if you want to change it, this is the place to do it. Here, you can choose whether you want a notification pop-up or an email reminder, depending on how you prefer to be alerted. After that, select your exact reminder time. Google Calendar gives you several options, so you can choose to be reminded minutes, hours, days, or even weeks before the event. For example, if it's a quick meeting, you might want a reminder 10 minutes before. If it's something important like a trip or deadline, you may want to set it for 1 day or 1 week before. Pick the option that makes the most sense for the event you're planning. If needed, you can also add more than one reminder, depending on your calendar settings and what your account allows. That can be useful if you want one reminder far in advance and another one right before the event starts. The key is to choose a reminder setup that helps you stay organized without being too distracting. Once your reminder time is set, take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the notification type is correct and make sure the time is exactly how you want it. Then go to the top of the event window and click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes. If you don't save, your reminder time may not update properly. After you save, your Google Calendar event reminder should now be set with your chosen notification time. That means Google Calendar will alert you automatically before the event based on the timing you selected. It's a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in helping you stay on schedule and avoid missing important events. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.